Assalamualaikum, Madam. Nama saya Raja Muhammad Hadi bin Raja Ahmad Ghari. My group title is Car Rental Database System. Let's begin with the introduction. A car rental database system is a powerful software application designed to manage day-to-day operation of a car rental business. It acts as a central heart, enabling rental company to efficiently handle customer information, reservation, vehicle inventory, and payment. Now, let's address the problem statement. Car rental face several challenges in managing uh, their operation effectively. These challenges include inventory management, reservation management, customer management, and reporting analytics. These issues directly impact the productivity, financial success, and customer satisfaction of current business. To overcome this challenge, our objective is to develop an efficient car rental database system. Our system aims to automate the car rental process from vehicle reservation to payment, provide a user-friendly interface for both employee and customer, generate report for informed decision making, improve accuracy and reliability, enhance the customer experience and make management easier for their employee. Now, let's discuss the scope of our system. Our system will have various functionality to manage inventory, reservation, customer reporting and analytics, and vehicle availability. The primary user will be employee of the car rental company and customer looking to rent a car. Employee can use the system to manage inventory, reservation, customer and generate report. Customer, on the other hand, can use the system easily with a car, check availability and review payment information. Lastly, let's talk about the significance of our project. The car rental industry is growing rapidly, and a well-designed car rental database system can provide a competitive edge. Our proposed system can streamline the car rental process, reduce error, provide valuable business insight, ensure regulatory compliance, improve car maintenance, and enhance the overall customer experience. By centralizing pricing, inventory management, and reporting, our system can help rental company increase their revenue and remain competitive in the market.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I am going to continue the project presentation. Now we are looking at the entity relationship diagram, which is ERD. We have customer table, rental table, car table, employee table, maintenance table, and payment table. Customer table have a one-to-many relationship with rental table. The cardinality is 1-1 and 1-2, which means each customer can only rent 2 maximum cars at the same time. Car table have a one-to-many relationship with rental table. Employee table also has the one-to-many relationship with the rental table. Employee and maintenance have a many-to-many relationship. Car and maintenance table have a one-to-many relationship. And rental and payment table have a one-to-many relationship. That's all for the ERD section. Now we are going to look at the data dictionary section. For the customer table, we have customer ID as the primary key and customer details as the attributes. For the rental table, we have the rental ID as the primary key, car ID as the foreign key 1, customer ID as the foreign key 2, and rental details as the attributes. For the car table, we have car ID as the primary key and car details as the attributes. The payment table have payment ID as the primary key, rental ID as the foreign key, and payment details as the attributes. Maintenance table have maintenance ID as the primary key, car ID as the foreign key, and maintenance details as the attributes. The employee table have the employee ID as the primary key, and employee details as the attributes. The employee maintenance table is the bridge for the many-to-many relationship between the employee table and maintenance table. Now we are going to look at the data definition language section, where we are going to implement all of the tables we have created in the ERD and data dictionary into the Apex Oracle. This command will create the customer table with all its attributes and primary key. So I'm going to run it now, and it will show that the table has been created. Now I'm going to continue with creating the car table, rental table, maintenance table, and employee table. Now let's continue with inserting the data. For the data insertion, we are going to use the insert all command to insert all 10 rows of data into the customer table in a single run. So it is much more easier and faster than inserting one by one. We are going to use this command for inserting all of the data in other table as well. So now I'm going to showcase the update statement. We are going to change the email for the customer ID C003. Now the email is davidjohnson@example.com. We are going to change it to david.johnson@example.com. So we are going to use this command, which is update customer set email equal to single quote david.johnson@example.com, where customer ID equal to C003. So now I'm going to run it. So now the row has been updated. So after running the previous command, now the email has been updated. For the delete statement, we are going to use the command delete from maintenance, where maintenance ID equal to mtn009. If we run it, the row will be deleted. For the query selection and projection, we are going to find the names and addresses of all customers who live in New York. For this, we are going to use the command select first name, last name, address from customer where city equal to New York. When we run it, it will show all of the details. For the aggregation and grouping query, we are going to calculate the total cost maintenance amount for each car along with their corresponding maintenance count. We are going to use this command, which is select car ID, sum maintenance cost, count car ID from maintenance, group by car ID. When we run it, it will show all of the details perfectly. For the inner and outer join query, I'm going to show how to retrieve the rental details along with the corresponding customer and car information for all rentals. We are going to use the join operation between rental, customer and car tables. So when we run this command, it will show all of the details. For the nested subqueries, I'm going to show you how to retrieve all customers who have rented a car with a rental price higher than the average rental price. We're going to use the command customer ID, select customer ID, first name, last name from customer, where customer ID in, select customer ID from rental, where rental price is bigger than average rental price from rental. When we run it, it will show all of the details. Now we are in the conclusion. This system contribution is automated car rental process, streamlined inventory management, efficient reservation management, and effective customer management. The system drawbacks is initial implementation effort. A thorough car rental database system requires time and resource and knowledge to develop and implement. Other than that, system maintenance and upgrades is also one of the drawbacks, which is to ensure optimum performance, security, and compatibility with developing technologies. The system needs ongoing maintenance and regular updates. Technical dependencies and risks. The system efficiency depends on reliable hardware infrastructure, dependable internet connectivity, and safe data storage. And lastly, the user adoption and training. When a new system is implemented, employees must receive an necessary training and assistance to become accustomed to its features and functionalities. There's a few suggestions for improvement, which is thorough planning and testing. We can place an emphasis on thorough testing and comprehensive planning during the development and implementation phases. Scalability and flexibility to design the system with future growth and adaptability to shifting business requirements in mind, as well as scalability and flexibility. Training and support can also be helpful to allocate sufficient resources to train staff members on how to use the system efficiently. Robust security measures is to prevent unauthorized access to customer and company data, implement strong security measures, and lastly, regular system updates to guarantee that the database system stays current with the newest technologies, security updates, and feature upgrades. The car rental database system can be continuously improved by considering this recommendation, addressing the problems that have been found and making sure that the system continues to be effective, dependable, and user-friendly. That's all from us. Thank you for watching the video.